Namaste and hello from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Continuing with our Focus 4 series, let's look into the next 4 words: center, cold, dog, direct. So let's begin with the first word, center. C-E-N-T-E-R, center. Call center, town center, service center, in the center, city center, center of the universe, center of the galaxy. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to city center? This bus will take you to city center. Thank you. Where does Raj work? Raj works in a call center. Do you know what's bullseye? The center of a target is called a bullseye. Hello, Sam. Could you please pick Kelly up for me at the daycare center? Sure. There was a coffee table in the center of the living room. The second word is cold. Cold day, cold drink, very cold, hot and cold. Catch a cold, cold person. Ron is a cold person. I've never seen him smile. It's raining. The rain is making me cold. It's a cold day today. Don't go out, you may catch cold. Neetu, lunch is getting cold. Come and have your lunch. Yes, Mom. It's too hot. Can I get something cold to drink? Fruit juice or cold coffee? Cold coffee will do. Thank you. The third word is dog. D-O-G, dog. Pet dog. Wild dog. Dog food. Dog collar. What a cute little dog. What breed is the dog? I don't know what breed it is. Can I pet the dog? Yes, you can. Dogs can swim. Look at that dog. The dog is smart. Do you like dogs? I like dogs. Do you have a dog? No, I don't have a dog. I live in a flat, so I don't prefer to keep a dog here. The fourth word is direct. D-I-R-E-C-T, direct. Direct hit, direct flight, direct way, direct meaning. Is it a direct flight? Yes. It's a direct flight from Bengaluru to Mumbai. Excuse me, can you direct me to the railway station? Yeah, sure. Traffic lights are used to direct traffic. You should protect your eyes from direct sunlight. Mahi directed all his energy to his business. This movie was directed by Yash. Friends, may I direct your attention to this? Jaani, your questions are too direct. Yes, I know. And I want a direct answer so that we don't waste a lot of time. So that's all for today. Meet you again in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.